If you have a burning desire to write, produce, and star in your own short film, but you don't know how to get started, then you're invited to enter my holiday giveaway. This is for you if you know you want to write a short film that you can realistically produce. You want an exact step by step process to go from idea in your head to a finished script. You want access to high level feedback every step of the way as you develop your project. You want to know exactly what steps to take to move into self production, and you want to be supported by a community of like minded actors, writers, and filmmakers who can cheer you on and support you along the way. You will get all of that and more inside my Make Shit Happen Club, and one lucky winner will get a 6-month membership to this program for free. You're welcome. Go to the link in my bio to enter. I've also thrown in some other awesome prizes like $100 cash money and a private consultation with me. It is free to enter, but hurry because the deadline is coming up soon. And then join me live on December 19th to find out if you won.